Hi, my name's Danielle Collins and I'm the world-leading face yoga expert, and I'm going to be sharing with you some face yoga techniques which are great for naturally lifting the lower face. So we're going to start off with a technique which is very good for helping to tone this area under the chin. So this area can often get a little bit loose and a little bit saggy as we age. So this technique is working with strengthening and toning the muscles underneath the skin and then lifting the skin attached to it. So just work to your own level with all the techniques. We're going to tilt our head back now. Now keep your lips together and just bring the tip of the tongue repeatedly up towards the roof of the mouth so you feel this area under the chin working. Come back down when you've done 20, and we're just going to add a little bit of resistance with it now. So we're just making the muscles work a little bit harder. So we're going to place one hand under the chin, one on the collarbone, lips together again, breathing in and out through the nose, and bring the tip of the tongue up towards the roof of the mouth. And slowly come back down. Then we're just going to make a smile shape with the mouth, and we're going to really allow the lip corners to move upwards. We're going to wrap our lips around our teeth, and we're going to use our index fingers as resistance. So it's a great one for helping to lift and firm the cheek area, strengthen the area around the mouth, so your orbicularis oris muscle, and it's also a very good one for toning the jaw. So let's do this one together now. Holding here, index fingers gently push into the skin and outwards slightly, just to help resistance and smooth any lines here, and let's hold. Keep breathing deeply as you hold. Let's relax for a moment and take that again. And slowly come back down. And then for our next technique, we're going to lift and firm the side of the neck, but also work in this area under the chin and around the mouth. So we're going to turn the head to one side, tilt the head back slightly, and stick out the tongue. We're going to hold, and then we're going to move to the other side. And slowly move to the other side now. And come back to your starting position and back to the other side. And turning, come to the other side. And come back to your starting position. So already you should feel like the muscles have had a really good workout. Now remember, with all of these techniques, you should be doing them daily. It's really important to get the best results with face yoga that you do them every single day. So we're going to do one final technique which is great for lifting and firming lots of the muscles in the cheeks. We're going to puff the cheeks out full of air. We're going to hold that position. We're going to use the fingers of one hand just to smooth the skin around the lips so we don't create any lines here. We're going to use the other hand. We're going to gently pat, so we're having some nice energizing massage to boost the circulation. Breathing in and out through your nose. Swap hands. And then to let go of any tension that might have built up through those techniques, just take a deep breath in through the nose and then just go, and again. One more time. And just relax the whole of your lower face. If you'd like to do a structured daily face yoga program, which I really recommend, there's a few ways that you can do this. You can either search Danielle Collins on your app store and you can download one of my apps. And the fee for the apps is just a one-off fee forever, so you'll have that whole program for you to use whenever you want. Also, if you would like to read my new book, which is called Danielle Collins's Face Yoga, you can go to Amazon and you'll find that there. If you'd like more general information on face yoga, or you would like DVDs, information on teacher training, organic skincare, jade rollers or yoga mats, you can go to the website www.faceyogaexpert.com. Take care, bye bye.